running, spinning.
You dropped some paper.
So going on Facebook.
Fish.
Don't say that.
Squiggly.
Are
Tornado.
you in an ocean?
The Little Mermaid?
Oh, you thought of a new one.
You have to go down on your knees and go, oh.
Okay,
Are you seaweed?
She's a movie.
Tornado. Wizard of Oz.
Oh, wizard.
Shark.
Shark
Fish.
Boy and Lava Girl.
Dragon. Harry Potter.
Avatar.
That's the movie I was gonna do. You died.
You died. You're
Sleep.
asleep. A Midsummer
Romeo
Night's
and
Dream.
Juliet.
Romeo and Juliet.
You're prancing.
There's a teacher over there in the film.
I think she's gonna come out.
Okay, is it, what is that
What are
thing?
you doing?
Journey
was
to the
it?
center of the earth.
What was it? Sleeping Beauty?
Sleeping Beauty?
You know the dragon and this, like, sleeping.
Okay. Okay, keep going. Nobody knows.